Hello, I'm Minaras. Are you looking for a place to go on holiday this year? I can help. Camp Waterfall is waiting for you. My camp is by a waterfall. The best time of year to visit in summer. You can plant trees, play games, and fish in my camp. The weather is hot and rainy, so you need umbrella. Don't forget your raincoat. You can wear boots in my camp. Camp Waterfall is a great place for holiday with your family or husband's wife. Get up and pack your bag. We are waiting for you. Are there any questions? Thank you. Goodbye.